Alright, today we're going to be making some beef taquitos. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Taquitos, probably. In the air fryer. Alrighty. So, here we go. Just going to put 3 of them in there. And let's see what the directions are. Okay, so for conventional oven, you're going to do it at 11 minutes at 400. That's for 6. So what we're going to do is go to 400, go to 4. And we'll come back and see what's going on. Where we're at now. Alright, we're just going to roll them around a little bit in there. Kind of move them around. There we go. And we are going to put them back in there at 400 again. 4 more minutes. Let's see where we're at then. Remember, they were 11 minutes in the oven, so the time that you don't have to wait to preheat, and I think they're going to be done after this. I don't even know if it's going to take the full 4 minutes. We'll see though. We'll check it at 3. Alright guys, we are at the 3-minute mark, and they are done. They are done. So ended up taking, so I put it in there for 4 on that time, did it for 3, and they are done, as you can see. So a little bit more about that. Well, alright then. Hope this helps you out in making some stuff. Y'all have a good evening and a happy new year to you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.